everyone, welcome back to Risa Does Makeup. I've really been looking forward to filming today because, as many of you know, I love to partner with FabFitFun to show you the contents of my seasonal subscription box. Today I'm going to be showing you the contents of my winter 2019 box. And if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box containing over $200 worth of full-size beauty and lifestyle products. These are all brand names, many from female-founded companies. FabFitFun also partners seasonally with different charities. So there's so many things to love about the subscription box. But the main thing that I love is that I receive so many wonderful products that I might not have tried had I not gotten them in this box. It is just a great way to try new brands, maybe receive some products that you didn't even know you needed, but they end up being some of your favorites and most used in your home or when you travel. I mean, I've just received so many fantastic products in my boxes, so that's why I really love showing you guys every season what's in my box. And I also have a promo code for you, as I always do. So as I mentioned, each box is $49.99, each seasonal box, but with my code RISA10, you can receive $10 off your first box. So instead of $49.99, it'll be $39.99. So if you're not already signed up with FabFitFun, definitely use my code RISA10, get $10 off your first box and start getting in on the fun of opening the box every season. I did customize mine a few weeks ago, but I never remember what I choose. So it's always a first impression and some extra added excitement for me when I open these boxes. So I've got my scissors in the box and we are going to go into this. And this month's charity is the Women's Alzheimer's Movement. On the top of each box, there's a little FabFitFun magazine. On the cover this month is Maria Shriver. She founded the Women's Alzheimer's Movement. Inside the magazine, there are articles as well as information about the products that may be in your box. All right, let's see. This is something that I did ask for in my customization. This is the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Believe it or not, I don't have any dirty makeup brushes around me at the moment. If I did, I would show you. I'm actually not even sure how this works. I've just seen other people talk about it, but it says that you just glide the brush against the Color Switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color Switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water, lay flat to dry. I'm sitting here trying to get the tape off. So it comes in this little tin. And I wanted to try this because, let's be honest, how many of us are lazy about washing their brushes? And I just thought this would be a good way to, clean off that dark brown before maybe going into a lighter brown with the same brush. Even though I have tons of brushes, I don't know, I just wanted to try this. I think it's a really cool thing, especially if you aren't like me and you don't have hundreds of brushes and you do want to switch between shades as you're doing your makeup. Ooh, next up is a product from Drybar. I really, really like Drybar products. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is formulated with biotin, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers. The lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 450, which is good because I use hot tools. Preps hair for optimal performance of styling. Yeah, I really, really like most of the Drybar products I've tried, and I have not yet tried this, so I will give it a go and update you. Ooh, is this a blanket? It looks like it's a blanket from the brand Unhide for Love Not Fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, this blanket is heavenly. I don't know what the retail is on this, but I'm gonna look it up because this blanket is amazing. It's a $65 retail value, and I am not surprised. All right, next up, eyelashes. As most of you know, if you have been with my channel for a while, you know I love false eyelashes. And this was part of the customization. I chose these lashes from Baddington because they looked so natural. I've never tried Baddington lashes before, but I heard of them through the makeup artist that I'm sure many of you know, Mario Dedivanovic. He's Kim Kardashian's makeup artist and a lot of other celebrities. And he did a master class once that I didn't attend, but I saw a video on it, and he used Baddington lashes. So that's the first time I had heard of the brand Baddington. So when I saw these as an option for customization, I jumped on it. And you will be seeing these in an upcoming probably tutorial, or at least in a photo, a makeup of the day photo on Instagram. So next up is this Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Because this is a hand and body wash and not a lotion, I don't want to pump it out right now, but I'm opening it to smell it, and it smells amazing. It smells like lavender. It smells very good and definitely calming. So what is this? The packaging is adorable. Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. I've never tried anything from Beauty Bakery. See, this is what I mean by trying brands you might never have tried, or maybe you thought of trying them, but you just never actually did it. And that's how it's been with me and Beauty Bakery. I've been wanting to try the products. I've seen them at Ulta over and over, and I've just never purchased anything. And now I get to try an eyeshadow palette. The packaging is definitely adorable, and these colors look right up my alley. Ooh, they feel very creamy, like they're gonna be blendable. So here's 3 of the shades. For people that really like warm tones, I can definitely see this as being an excellent go-to everyday eyeshadow palette. All right, I've got 2 more goodies in here. Next up is the Erno Laszlo Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Yes. I have been using Erno Laszlo products off and on for probably 20-some years. I began my career in the beauty industry behind a makeup counter at a department store, and Erno Laszlo was one of the brands that was also there. Over the years, I've tried many Erno Laszlo products and have been impressed by a lot of them. Most of them, in fact. So as someone with oily skin and large pores, I cannot wait to try this mask. So yeah, Erno Laszlo's been around since 1927. Let's see. Ooh, it's a cute bottle. And you get 3.3 ounces. I mean, who doesn't love trying a new mask? You put on a mask, you do your nails, you have a little spa day for yourself. And finally, I got a makeup eraser. I have seen this on Instagram over and over. I've heard other YouTubers talk about it. So I'm so excited to have one. This erases all your makeup with just water. It's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Okay. It's the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Ah, so excited. Oh, it's cruelty-free, vegan. It's free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. No more wipes, which is good because I do go through a lot of makeup wipes. This is what it looks like. So clearly I wear quite a bit of makeup, so I'll be using this tonight. I'm guessing you just run it underwater and then take all your makeup off. This is awesome. This box, I might have said this before, that other boxes have been my favorite, but between this and of course this blanket, this winter FabFitFun box has been the best one yet. So if you couldn't tell, I love this box. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to get in on the FabFitFun fun, then use my code Risa10 to get $10 off your first box. And then each seasonal box thereafter will be $49.99. Now I haven't yet calculated the retail value of what was in my box, but I'm pretty certain it was well over $200. So as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and become part of the Risa Does Makeup family. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under that same username, Risa Does Makeup. Once more, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.